So all you need to do is just performing this task. So now they say pack the gift. I'm going to click on that pack the gift. So once I do that, it's just going to keep packing. It's going to pack the first one very easily. Most times it's going to pack the second one easily. It's going to pack the third one easily. Wow, you can actually get free gift from Temo. That is the fact, guys. Okay, wait. Let's calm down. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get amazing gifts on Temo without paying a dime, either the price for the real product itself, and you're not even going to pay a dime for the shipping cost. You're going to get everything into your house free of charge. So how does that even work? Okay, let's begin. That is just the fact. It's actually unbelievable, but the truth of the matter is that number one, Temo is a legit app. Like, I have made orders from Temo, I've paid, I've gotten my order, my products that I ordered on Temo. So we don't even have to argue over if Temo is real or not. It's real, and they actually give free gift. In fact, if you go to Google or you go to YouTube and you make your search, you will notice that, yeah, everybody's actually talking about the fact that you can actually get a lot of free gift from Temo. So how do you get this free gift? Yeah, you can download the Temo app from Play Store, but if you use the link in the video description to sign up to Temo, you will get an automatic free gift right now, and then $100 coupon to shop on Temo. So I think you should just click the link in the video description, and then it will bring you up to this point, and all you need to do is just to follow the prompt and then sign up and register on Temo. Okay, so this is Temo. You can see that I've already installed it already. So in your own case, it will tell you to install if you don't have it already. So once you install it, it's going to ask you to open it just as you're seeing here. So I'm going to open my own. Of course, when you open, you have to create an account. I already have an account created for myself, and I've already been making orders from Temo. So I've done all of that. So your own is simple. You just create an account, okay? So after creating an account, you will always see this free gift that you can see on the home page. Yeah? So what you want to do here is that you want to click on the free gift, and then you're going to wait for it to load. So as you can see here, they actually have rules that you need to follow. So let me quickly see what some of the rules are. Okay, so you can take your time to read all of this. In fact, the rules will actually tell you that this is for real, it's not scam. I won't waste your time trying to check out what the rules are. There's nothing serious about it. So I'm going to close that rule. So what I'm going to do right now is that you can see here they're asking you to pick. So what you need to do here is just to come over here. Now, this is one thing I have discovered. Just if you want to give this a try, please, I think you should not pick expensive products, okay? Because the truth is you'll be required to perform some tasks, and then when you start performing some of these tasks, it's going to be easier at first, okay? But then as you get towards the end of your exercise, or trying to perform all the activities and tasks that they ask you to perform, then it becomes a little bit problematic. Now, what I noticed is that if you pick very expensive gift, it's going to take you a lot of energy, and the most frustrating part of getting this free gift is that you have to share the Temu link, okay, on your social media handles, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, Instagram, just mention it, all of them, you have to share it. So I think if you pick small gifts, you're going to get your gift easily. But if you pick expensive gifts like laptop, like iPhone, it's going to take you a while. You might not even be able to complete this. That is the truth, okay? So it's what I've tried. So what I would do is that I will just come over here, and then I'll just, okay, let me go for this one. I'm going to just pick this. Okay, so once you pick it, you're going to wait for it to load. Okay, so you can see here, what you need to do here is just to come here and click continue. Okay, so it's going to ask you for the size, of course. Let's just go for medium here. Okay, just going to click on continue. Okay, so you can see it's telling you that this shirt is supposed to be for 13K, but then it's going to be given to you for free. So they're going to give you another thing to pick. So again, like I said, if I were you, I will avoid the expensive gifts. Okay, so I could just go for this particular bracelet. Okay, so I will just continue. Okay, so I've picked the second gift, I'm supposed to pick 4 gifts, okay? So let's go for a third again. As much as possible, I want to avoid those expensive things. It's not like you cannot, get this expensive stuff sharp, but then it's going to take you some really, really serious work. As a matter of fact, you can be frustrated that you will not be able to see it through. Okay, so let me just go. Okay, I think this is still okay. So I'm going to pick this other one. Okay, so I'm going to go for my size and then I will continue. Okay, they're asking me to pick a color, so I'm going to just go for this color. Okay, I'm going to continue. Okay, so I've picked 3, it's remaining 1. Okay, for the last one, let me go for this bag. I'm going to pick this bag again. All right, so it's going to ask me for the color. I think I'm good with gray, and then I'm going to continue. All right, so I have picked my 4 gifts. So it's going to ask me to be sure. Okay, I'm going to click confirm. All right, so let's wait for it to load. Okay, so it's matching me up now. So these are the tasks it's going to be asking me to perform. So it's going to sum up all of the things I've picked, and it says this is worth 30,000 naira. Now, if you have been picking maybe a laptop, maybe an iPhone, those things, like you could be picking gifts that are worth maybe 2 million naira. So you can imagine that you're trying to get a free gift that is worth, let's say, 30,000 naira compared to another free gift that is worth, let's say, 2 million naira. You can be sure that what is going to cost you is going to be different, okay? So all you need to do is just performing this task. So now they say pack the gift. I'm going to click on that pack the gift. So once I do that, it's just going to keep packing. It's going to pack the first one very easily. Most times it's going to pack the second one easily. It's going to pack the third one easily. Most times it's the fourth one that after you have done a lot of work, at this point you don't want to go back, right? So it's more like playing on your emotion or your okay, they are playing on your emotion actually, because I mean, if you have done a lot of work to pack 3 gifts, then the fourth one, they could tell you that you just need 2 points to be able to pack the fourth one. Then you will keep working and working and working and working and working. And it is at this point that you could give up, okay? So you can see that I've packed the first gift. So all I need to do is to go and pack the second gift. So I'm going to just click on pack the second gift in, and then it's going to take me through the second gift and the third gift and the fourth gift. Actually, this is what it takes. So of course, you don't expect that I'm going to be doing all of this in this video, because the video will be very, very, very long. You can trust me on that, okay? So all you need to do is that you pack your first gift, you wait for it. You're actually not doing so much. You pack the second gift, you wait for it again, you pack the third, just as you have seen me do and as you're seeing on your screen. And finally, you pack your fourth. But it's like I said, from my experience, it is at that fourth level that you will need to do some serious work. And basically, like I said, the only work that you will need to do is to be sharing the Temo link. Okay, so that's their own way of getting free advertisement for people to be able to come to their app or their website to shop, right? So you're going to keep sending and sending and sending. Sometimes you're really going to have to spam people before you can get this gift. So this is what it takes. By the time you're done getting the gift, if you actually qualify and you see it through, I can assure you that these guys are going to give you your gift. Trust me. The only thing that you will need to do is just to make sure that you use the right address so that they can locate you, and then they're going to give you. And the truth of the matter is that they are going to give you this gift. You're not going to pay a dime. Even for shipping, everything is free, because if you have been shopping on Temo, you would have known by now that even when you buy things on Temo, at least right now, the shipping cost is actually free, and most of their products are cheap, okay? So give it a try. Let's see. You can play around it. If your contact list are not going to mind, okay, you can just tell them before you start this game that, hey guys, I'm going to be spamming you guys with some stuffs here. Once they agree and you don't really see it as a big deal, then you can give it a try. And like I said, you're going to get this gift, sure. Okay, so thank you for watching today, and please give this video a like so that more people that are looking for what we call a wolf in Nigeria, free things, can get to see this video, and then they can give it a try. And I believe that I've shared some very amazing tips that will really help them, so that who knows, they can also get their gift. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.